Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make peanut butter cookies with 3 ingredients. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of your favorite creamy peanut butter, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 large egg. That's it. These 3 items are all you need to create a batch of delightful, easy-to-make cookies that everyone will love. It's a perfect recipe for a quick treat. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, combine your 1 cup of peanut butter, 1 cup of sugar, and the single egg. Stir everything together really well until it forms a consistent, firm dough. You might need to use a sturdy spoon or even your hands to ensure all ingredients are fully incorporated. This step is crucial for the perfect cookie texture. Next, it's time to shape our cookies. Roll the dough into small 1-inch balls and place them about 2 inches apart on a baking sheet. Then, use a fork to gently flatten each ball, creating that classic crosshatch pattern. Bake these beauties in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden brown. Once baked, let your delicious cookies cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes. This helps them firm up before you move them. Then, carefully transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. They'll be wonderfully soft and chewy. Now, you're ready to enjoy your homemade 3-ingredient peanut butter cookies. They are perfect with a glass of milk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.